The day, sir. Myself G Vishnuvardhan. I am from CSMC. My roll number is 23 4G 1 year 33J1. So I got the CAA 2 assignment as a video presentation, and the topic is the simplified instructional computer. So I am going to start with my topic with the giving the introduction. Introduction to the simplified instructional computer. So what is meant by simplified instructional computer? So it is a basic computer model used for education purpose, and it helps students to understand fundamental computer architecture and also operations. And next, the SIC is a designed to be easy to learn and simulate the real computer processes. So what is meant by SIC? So instruction set. It is meant by instruction set. Basic set of instructions, load and store registers, and also and arithmetic operations. And next, arithmetic operations involve in register and a word memory. And next, jump instructions test the setting of the CC. And instruction compares the value of A with a word memory, and also it sets the condition code CC to the indicate the result. And next, about the purpose of simplified instructional computer. So I'm going to discuss about the purpose of it. So what is the purpose of simplified instructional computer is the main purpose is to teach the basics how computer execute instructions. And next, it provides a simplified environment for learning about memory, processing and input output. And also the the simplified instructional computer helps students grasp complex concepts by reducing the system complexity. And like many other products such as it comes two versions that are the standard model and XE version. That is meant by XE is a extra equipments, extra expensive. So the two versions have been designed to be upward compatible. And next, components of SIC, that is simple instructional computer. There are some components. Let us know about them. The primary components include the central processing unit, that is CPU, memory and input output devices. And also the CPU contains the control unit and the arithmetical logical unit, that is ALU. That means arithmetical logical unit will perform all the arithmetic operations, that are addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, floor division, modules and etc. And memory stores instructions and the data that a computer uses during the processing. And next, here are some of the basic components of the computer, that is the here is the CPU and input, that is means the input that is going to given from the user, and it will be processed by the control unit. So first it will go to the control unit, and the control unit will control how the data should go, where it want to go, either it is a arithmetical logical unit or other else. And next it will go to internal memory and memory secondary memory. So if it is a file or a data included in this, so it will go to the main memory and then the secondary storage. Main memory is called as a RAM and secondary memory is called as a ROM. And next, finalizing the it will give the output. And next, about I am going to discuss about the instruction set, the simple instructional computer. So what is meant by set of SIC? So the SIC uses a small set of simple instructions for easy understanding. And next, common instructions include load, store, add, subtract and jump. This limited instruction set allows the students to focus on basic operations flow. And here is a SIC extra instruction set table. This is the set table, instructional set table. And next, I am going to discuss how the SIC executes the instructions. I'm going to say how the SIC, that is simple instructional computer, how it is going to execute the instructions. The process begins with fetching the instruction from the memory, and next the control unit decodes and executes the instruction, and next the cycle repeats, enabling the SIC to perform the various programs. And next I'm going to discuss about the advantages of using this SIC in education. So there are many advantages of using this SIC in education. So it simplifies complex computer architecture and architecture, making learning more accessible and also more accessible. The SIC provides a clear view of how instructions are proceeded, and next it aids to in learning in fundamental programming concepts and also computer operations. So there are some limitations of the SIC. I'm going to discuss about it. The SIC's simplicity means it cannot perform complex or real world tasks. So this simple instructional computer cannot perform the real world task and also some complex problems, and it lacks features like advanced memory management and also peripheral support. So uh, it is not like our computer, but also somewhat it can't be reached to the our computer, so it will be lagging behind. And next, despite limitations, it remains an effective teaching tool for the beginners. And I would like to conclude my speech by saying a conclusion and a significance. The simplified instructional computer is essential for foundational computer science education. It helps learners to build a strong understanding before moving to more complex systems, and also the simple instructional computer continues to be a valuable resource in understanding the basics of the computer architecture. So, finally, I would like to end my topic. Thank you, sir.